Welcome to our video on Metabo Flex Diet Pills, where we will provide you with a step-by-step guide to losing weight fast. If you've been struggling with your weight and are looking for a solution that can help you shed those pounds quickly, then you're in the right place. In this scene, we will delve into the basics of Metabo Flex Diet Pills. We'll explain what these pills are, how they work, and what sets them apart from other weight loss supplements on the market. Stay tuned to discover how Metabo Flex Diet Pills can kickstart your weight loss journey. In this scene, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of using Metabo Flex Diet Pills for effective weight loss. From understanding the recommended dosage to incorporating healthy lifestyle choices, we'll cover it all. Get ready to take notes as we share valuable tips and tricks. Here, we'll share inspiring real-life success stories of individuals who have achieved remarkable weight loss results with the help of Metabo Flex Diet Pills. These stories will motivate and encourage you on your own weight loss journey, helping you stay focused and determined to reach your goals. If you have any concerns or doubts about using Metabo Flex Diet Pills, this scene is for you. We'll address common questions and concerns that people often have, providing you with clear and accurate information. Our goal is to help you make an informed decision about whether Metabo Flex Diet Pills are right for you. As we wrap up this video, we hope you have gained valuable insights into how Metabo Flex Diet Pills can support your weight loss goals. Remember, losing weight is a journey that requires commitment and dedication. With the right tools, such as Metabo Flex Diet Pills, you can achieve the results you desire. Get started on your weight loss journey today.